Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your business email, the one with your domain name in it, with your Gmail so that you can monitor and manage all the business emails from your Gmail without needing to actually log in to the business inbox. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to do it with Namecheap or anyone who has cPanel. It's going to be the same no matter what your host is. You just log in the host, go into the hosting, and then go to cPanel. Once you access the cPanel, just type in emails, email accounts, and then select the email that you want to actually connect with your Gmail. So in this case, I'm going to select just this one. I'm going to click check email, Namecheap. And then in here, normally, they do send you all the details that you need to know in order to connect it with your Gmail. So I can see it gives me the port number. It gives me the SMTP port number as well. And the whole incoming server details. If you are not clear on these details or you are not sure, then you can always contact your host support and ask them for incoming server details and outgoing server details. So now let's go to our Gmail and connect this particular email, resources@gintardenlice.com, with my Gmail. So I'm gonna open my Gmail, click into settings on the right hand corner, see all settings. In here, just click accounts and import, and then add another email address next to send mail us. Add another email address. Now in here, my name is my name, and then the email address that I'm connecting is resources@gintardenlice.com. Check the spelling to make sure that it's all correct, and then just click next step. Here, SMTP server, sometimes it will be mail.gintardenlice.com, but in this case, I will just use gintardenlice.com because in the email that I received, it did say that incoming server is gintardenlice.com. Now, as I said, if you do not receive this email in your actual inbox when you create the email, then you can email your hosts and ask for these details. Ask the support for these details. So I'm coming back to my Gmail. In here, as I said, SMTP server is going to be just my domain. Port number is going to be 465. Username is your email address. So resources@gintardenlice.com for me. Password, whatever password you created when creating the email, that's what you need to enter here. Make sure it's correct. And then leave secured connection using SSL and click add account. And you will see that now here it's asking enter and verify the confirmation code. So if you go and log in to your email address back again into the business email address, I'm gonna just check the Namecheap. You will see that here you received a Gmail confirmation with the particular code in there. So I'm gonna just quickly take the code and paste that back into my Gmail. Click verify, and you will see that now I've got this option available here. Now we also need to be able to check this particular email that we just created from our Gmail. So I'm gonna click add an email account, email address, again, resources@gintardenlice.com, and for you it's going to be your own email address that you created. Click next. Import emails from other account, POP3, next. Now username is going to be your email address, so resources@gintardenlice.com for me. Password, exactly the same password that you created. POP server for me is going to be only gintardenlice.com. And then the port number is 995. And in here, I'll click always use a secure connection. I will not leave a copy in the server. You can label incoming messages as your email, and that's it. And then I'm just gonna click add account. And as you see, it appears here, it says checking mail. And from now on, if I try to design an email, I can choose to create an email from resources@gintardenlite.com, and the same, any emails that are gonna come through to this email, I'm gonna receive in my Gmail inbox. Now, you might wanna create a beautiful email signature at the bottom of each of your emails that you send, something like this, right? So I will show you how to do that in the next video. See you there. Take care. Bye-bye.